YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are finally finished with the Secret Garden Graphic 45, and this is our finished product. This is the 6x9 mini album. We have a flip on front with pretty paper roses, some jewels, pearls. We have lace with pearls. And this flips open, and you can put yourself a little note here. Maybe you want to dedicate this to someone, so that's that. This is our spine, the jewelry piece we made, or repurposed rather. I think it's so perfect. It goes perfect with the colors. I'll show you. Isn't that perfect? Perfect coloring and everything. And then here's our back. Okay. Go ahead and get into it. So on our inside cover page we have a flip with a pocket on top. A couple of the cards that go with the paper pack. Then we have this page, which has a pretty bronze embellishment. This flips open, and then it closes, and then it flips open again. And you have a little belly band with a tag, like that. This is a pocket with a big tag. And then the tag has a pocket on top with another little tag in the pocket. Open that up. That. You know what? Before I forget, I'm going to erase the measurement that I wrote on here, because I'd like to give this mini album away in a giveaway. So I want it to be really nice and clean and ready to go to the winner. Alright, then that closes here. Then you flip over to the next page. On this page you have a belt closure, and then a flip with two pockets and two tags. Turned out really cute. Okay, then on the next page, which I think is really cute, you have this pocket up front. You have two pockets actually. You have this pocket here, and then this pocket here, and I need to make a tag for it. Then you have this flip open, and then you have a belly band with a tag. On our next page, we have a beautiful waterfall with a lace closure. So you have flip up, 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 up. Very pretty. I love that. Perfect for, like, if you have a specific birthday party and you want to put in a bunch of photos of all the kiddos, or a wedding. Then this is a tied down flip, and it goes through these two holes, feeds like a shoestring. There we go. We'll get you in the camera there. You have a pocket here with a tag, and then another tag. Then this flips up, and then this flips out, like so, and then again. That goes on top of this small flip, and then you have your base page here. And then you just feed this through like you would a shoestring. And you tie it up. Try not to put a knot in there or you'll never get it undone. Okay. Then we have our double buckle page. That's what I call it. So this pulls out and down. And then this flips up. And then you have a tag in here. And the same for the other side. Go. And then you flip that up and you have another tag. Okay, just going to press those down for right now. This is an envelope flip. This flips up. You have a little pocket here. Then you flip it down. And you have a space for photos. This is a tuck spot here. You can also put photos in. Nice. Then we have this one here. This is a 2 pockets, one on the right, one on the left, with tags. Then this one is a place for photos. Also another place for photos. And then a nice tag. For your memories. As soon as I get it open, there we go. Okay, that goes in here. And we have another waterfall, but this is an envelope waterfall. You have all your envelopes open and they are also pockets. And then you flip them. You get the same results. Flip, same thing. Plenty of room for photos. I love that page. It's one of my favorites. This one is another waterfall page. It is a flip up here. A pocket here. Then this is a flip up here. And then a pocket on this side. And then this is a flip up here and a pocket on this side. And of course you have your base page. That one is one of my favorites as well. I think this seam binding goes great with the flowers that are on this page. Let me get this. There we go. We have our back page here. This swings down. And then you flip this outward. This has a pocket on top. And swing it outward. And then this is just a small little flip. And it's covered with pearls and lace. And there's a little tag in here. Then you have another pocket here with a tag and a place for photos. This, swing it back that way, put your tag down. Then on this back page, the last one, we have a nice detailed pocket with quite a few tags. And these tags all come from the paper pack. And that's it, guys. It's, you know, a lot of pages and you can fit a lot in it. I think it's nicely organized. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to check out the videos on making this album. I had a lot of fun doing it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.